Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds Redmi Buds 6 Pro. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use gestures on your earbuds, and touch area is located at the back side. Right here at the top we have it, so you can with it play or pause the song. You can play next or previous track, you can call voice assistant, you can manage ambient sound control with it, and you can customize this gesture, add something for you. You need to open Xiaomi Earbuds application and then go to the gestures, and right here I already customize it for myself, so you can do the same or change it to something else. Next one, these headphones have ANC, and we can enable it in the application or by a gesture, by press and hold by default. So you just tap on it and you can use it. Also we have transparency mode, so if you met somebody, you don't need to remove your earbuds from your ears. You just enable this transparency mode and speak with someone. You can improve your listening experience with these earbuds, and you have three options how to do this. First you need to go to the audio effects, and right here I recommend it to enable adaptive sound. It will improve your listening experience. Also select equalizer preset for you, or you can also create a custom one. It's up to you. Right here we have 4 presets what Xiaomi offer for us, so you can select something else here or a custom one. And you can enable spatial audio. Right here we have it. You just enable it. Also you can enable with it head tracking and select a mode for you. If you don't know which one, you can just try to select one and use it, or change something else. Also these headphones support dual connection, but you need to check is it enabled in the application. Right here in additional settings we have dual connection, so you need to enable it and then connect it to your second device. If you don't know how, we have a video about it, so you can check it. Also here is a top trick, but only for Android user, is that these headphones support high resolution audio codec, what calls LDAC. But as I said, it's just for Android, because Apple devices doesn't support high resolution audio codecs. AC is a maximum on your iPhone. But you need to check is your phone support tag, because not all Android phones support it. Also I tested microphone at these earbuds, and these earbuds have a good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke normally, without background sounds. Also this microphone mute background sounds, but also it mute just a bit your voice and a bit distorted it. But still it's better than nothing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!